welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is in black and white, sorry. I haven't released this look yet, so I just don't want to ruin complete surprise what I've done. So what I've done for today's video is I have done a DIY brush mat. So you may recognize something like this. It's what you do your like deep cleanings of your brushes on, so you don't have to do it on your hands or anything. But they are extremely expensive. They range from about $15 all the way up to almost $100 for some big name brand ones that are quite big, that you can do lots of brushes at once on. So I wanted to show you how I've made my own for less than $5, and it took me about 3 minutes to make. So yeah, let's jump into the video, and if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay, so all you need to make your DIY makeup brush cleaner mat or container, so you need some sort of plastic container. I only had Tupperware containers that I didn't want to use as my brush cleaning mat, so I used this container that I got with some brushes that I was going to throw out anyway. Then all you need is a hot glue gun, some glue sticks, and an area to make a mess in case there is some dripping glue. So then you just do any designs that you want on the container. So as you can see here, I'm doing heaps. My glue gun is on its way out, so I was having to press extremely hard to get anything out. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine is far from perfect. It's very rough. So you can, if you make a mistake or you want it prettier, you can pull off the hot glue. Once it's cooled down, obviously, you can pull off the glue and you can redo it, so then it's more to your liking. Because it's just a brush cleaning mat, I didn't bother pulling mine off and redoing it again. I just left it as is. It all works the same. No one really sees it except for you anyway. So all I've done there is, you can see I've done different patterns. I've done zigzags, I've done lines, I've done a love heart, circle, across, just some little dots. Now I'm just doing some more lines, crisscross lines. And then you just let it sit there and dry for probably about 10 to 15 seconds. Just make sure that it's all completely dry before you try and use it. Then it's ready to use after about 10 seconds. You can head to your bathroom, a little bit of water, a little bit of makeup cleaner, and you just rub your brushes on it. Because it's raised, it just gets all into the brush and removes all the dirty makeup. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you hit the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Bye.